Hi guys, happy Friday. This is our last Friday of the year. I cannot believe it. All right, so today you are going to do a little activity related to tsunamis, which I think is very interesting. And so what you're going to do is, you can see the format looks a little bit different. You are going to create a one-pager. So if you remember, there's been a couple times throughout the year where I've had you read an article and then create kind of like a little mini poster. You did one about biodiversity, and then I hung them up on the wall in class, where you had to have like so many quotes, a title, a summary, pictures, all that jazz. So it's very similar to that. Remember that when I have the layout like this, this is really tiny. And so you can go over here to this little magnifying glass, click, hold down, and say zoom in, and then it should be a nice size for you. So let me move this here. Okay. So after watching today's welcome message, you have a link, and there is a short video all about tsunamis. It's just a couple minutes long. And then you are going to create a one-pager on the next slide. And you can see here that your one-pager has to have the title of the video, a certain amount of facts that would come from the video, a certain number of pieces of data, so actual numbers, if it talks about like the height of the wave or the amount of money that was... what am I trying to say here? The amount of money they had to spend to restore the area that was damaged by the tsunami. That could be a piece of information you want to include because it's a number, so it counts as data. And then lastly, you will include some pictures of tsunamis or tsunami destruction, and you can just use Google Image to search those up, or you can take screenshots of parts of the video if you'd like. So you can see that all of your information for your one-pager will go right here. So you're just going to make it digitally. If you really want to make it by hand and you want to draw your images and write everything out, that's fine too. Just take a picture and upload it or email it to me so that I can see it. Either is fine with me. All right. That is it for today. That is the end of natural disasters, the end of your assignments. Next week, we just have a little wrap-up activity with some questions, just a little bit of reflecting on the year in science, and that's it. All right, guys, I miss you. I hope you're doing well, and I don't know, email me if you have any questions. All right, have a wonderful weekend, and you will get your final welcome message video on Monday. Okay.